With Advanced Installer, you can easily configure your CAB embedding options. To do this, navigate to the Builds page. Under the Archive section, you will find multiple options on how the CAB file should be handled. You can leave everything unpacked next to the MSI database, include the CAB file into your MSI database, or you can uncheck this option and the CAB file will be created next to your MSI. Advanced Installer also gives you additional options like archiving files using an lzma compression, create one CAB per feature, or if you want to go into more advanced options, we offer you the possibility to configure an advanced CAB layout. Also, don't forget about our Visual Studio extension. Now, with your project completely configured, you can build your setup package directly from Visual Studio or Azure DevOps.